The Galaxy Watch 5, Samsung's rumored flagship wearable of 2022, could arrive as early as August, and according to the latest leak, we might be getting a Pro model of the smartwatch, with a significantly bigger battery. It seems that Samsung may be looking to add a brand new smartwatch to its lineup. According to anonymous sources speaking with Sam Mobile, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro might be the new ace up Samsung's sleeve. The device will allegedly offer a massive battery, bringing an up to 60% increase over its predecessor, and would represent a major change in the way Samsung releases new smart wearables each year. Where in past years the Galaxy Watch has only been released with limited variants, a Pro model would suggest the company is ready to expand beyond the basics. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is apparently going to come with a 572 mAh battery, Sam Mobile says. The Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic both top out at 361 mAh, so we're talking a sizable capacity jump of more than 50%. While there have been whispers that the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Galaxy Watch 5 Classic are set for a battery boost too, the highest figure that's been mentioned is 397 mAh, so the Pro model is another level above that. Of course, a bigger capacity battery means a bigger physical size of battery too, which isn't ideal for a thin and light wearable. We'll have to wait and see how Samsung might handle this problem when the new devices arrive later in the year. A battery of such size would be bound to increase a user's time between required charges considerably. Considering that the Pro version would also be likely to receive some additional bells and whistles that remain unknown as of now, that extra capacity could be put to good use. We know very little about the Galaxy Watch 5 at the moment, but if we're allowed to speculate based on earlier leaks of data from registrations of patents by Samsung with the USPTO, we can't help but wish that the long-awaited, but highly unlikely solar-powered watch strap might make its real product debut. Cross your fingers and hope for the best. It seems that Samsung may be looking to add a brand new smartwatch to its lineup. According to anonymous sources speaking with Sam Mobile, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro might be the new ace up Samsung's sleeve. The device will allegedly offer a massive battery, bringing an up to 60% increase over its predecessor, and would represent a major change in the way Samsung releases new smart wearables each year. Where in past years the Galaxy Watch has only been released with limited variants, a Pro model would suggest the company is ready to expand beyond the basics. The fifth iteration of the smartwatch is still yet to be released, but sources such as Tom's Guide point to it being launched around August 2022. Whether that checks out or not, the news about a possible third version is interesting. Galaxy Watch 4, which is the current generation of the device, only came in two variants: the basic Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Between the two, there were a total of 8 Samsung watches hitting the market, since they came in varying sizes, and with options for Bluetooth and 4G connectivity. Adding a third iteration of the watch could open the door to a more premium product. Available iterations of the Galaxy Watch 4 already spawned a wide range of price options, ranging from around $249 all the way to $399 at launch. If the third model is released, and if it does arrive with a Pro tag, it's likely to bring some high-end features combined with a bump in price. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel and leave a short comment. See you soon.